Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become reality. It all comes down to discipline and consistency. Plant the seed in your subconscious mind and keep nourishing it with positive emotions and repetition and see what unfolds. Our attitude toward life determines life's attitude toward us. If you want to see the world in all its gloom and doom, you can. But if you want to see the world as friendly, welcoming, and full of opportunities, that's a much better way to approach life. Whether it's good or bad, the choice is yours. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal. You are successful as soon as you are on the journey toward being more of your authentic self. Never stop and always keep moving forward. The opposite of courage in our society is not cowardice, it's conformity. If you choose to do what most people do to feel safe and comfortable, you'll never have a chance to discover what you are truly made of. Embrace the unknown and the uncomfortable, knowing that life supports you as you be yourself. People are always blaming their circumstances for what they are. I don't believe in circumstances. The people who succeed in this world are those who get up, look for the circumstances they want, and if they can't find them, create them. If you have a burning desire coupled with unwavering faith, then nothing can stop you. Doubt will come and you will conquer it. Obstacles will arise and you will overcome them. Whatever is presented in front of you will serve as a stepping stone toward realizing your vision if you have the right attitude.